Hi guys, Sherman here. Today I'm going to do the unboxing video of the Google Pixel 3 in 2021. I know it's a slightly old phone. The Google Pixel 5 is already out, but I got this for only 189 US dollars. It's actually 159 US dollars plus a shipping fee of about 29 US dollars. And this is an excellent phone, right? So I'm gonna leave you guys the link down below. It's brand new, okay? Brand new phone, not a used phone, and it's really hard to get a Google Pixel 3 now at this price. And I'm gonna tell you guys, okay, this video is also a complaint about FedEx in Malaysia, because FedEx, as you can see, tried to charge me about 100 ringgit, like 115 ringgit in taxes. Okay, the tax is supposed to be tax-free in Malaysia, but what they are taxing is the shipping price. Okay, now the thing is, the shipping price, the customs department in Malaysia apparently came up with some crazy shipping price because the shipper did not write the actual price of the shipping, and he listed it as 174 US dollars. Okay, he listed it as 174 US dollars. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but I'm just going to show you without reviewing my address. Okay, if you guys can see it here, it's 134 US dollars. Okay, and the shipper is not supposed to do that. He's supposed to write the shipping price, and FedEx told me, so I have to pay it because they came up with a crazy, okay, with a crazy estimate, like absolutely fracking crazy estimate. You can see here, crazy estimate of 500 ringgit, which is about like nearly 170 US or like 150 US dollars for the shipping price. Okay, that's almost the price of the phone itself. Now the shipping price, they are actually charging tax on it, which makes no sense. And they told me that the shipper or the seller has to actually write the price of the phone on the invoice, which they sent me as proof. But the thing is, they should know the price of the shipping because it was FedEx. FedEx sent it in the US, and they're trying to charge me because they said that the seller did not write the shipping price, and that I should get the seller to pay for the tax because he did not write the shipping price, and it is his fault. So I don't know what happened. I refused to pay. I sent it back. I'm like, what the frack? Just take back the phone. If you guys buy on eBay, if you guys buy with PayPal, which I did, you can always get the buyer protection program. Ask them to refund the money. So after 1 week, surprisingly today, right, they sent me the Google Pixel 3, right? I don't think the seller actually paid them, and they sent it to me. So if you guys are facing these kind of problems from this people, FedEx in Malaysia with their customs thing, you know, I already told them. I wrote them an eBay on eBay. I wrote them an email saying that, you know, if you don't accept, I mean, if you don't want to accept that I won't pay, just send it back, right? And if they sue you, like if the seller sues you for this, because obviously you have to tell him to write the shipping price, then I'm going to support it. And so basically, I don't know why, but they sent it to me. So I'm gonna list the links down below if you guys want to follow up an action against FedEx in Malaysia if you guys face it. But to me, they're smart enough. They sent me the phone, so no complaints there. I'm going to do the unboxing now. Right, this knife is always really handy to do unboxing. Use a serrated knife because look at this. This is sealed, right? Oh, I just want to show you guys. It has an IMEI number, blah blah blah. It's actually made in China, although it's by Google in the US. So this is the original one. You can see Team Pixel, blah. Nice box here, right? Really really nice packaging by Google. And although it's an old phone, the reason I got it is because this phone, right, the Google Pixel 3 has the autofocus front-facing camera that all the newer phones, the Google Pixel 5, the Google Pixel 4, the Google Pixel 4a, even the Google Pixel 3a does not have. So basically, you cannot do nice selfies with the Google Pixel 3 and above. I mean, you cannot do good selfies with Google Pixel 3a and above, especially if you want to have a close-up of your face, because there's a focal length that is quite far from, you know, you have to make the camera further away from your face so that it can focus, right? So there's no autofocus. So now it's gonna be hard to open this for some reason. Maybe there's some sticky. Okay. So basically, there's another seal here that I forgot. So yeah, you get the serrated blade, cut it open, and there we go. Team Pixel. Now let's open this. Oh, it's from this side. Awesome! I can see the phone. Okay, they're selling just the pink Google Pixel. So you guys can have a look at this. The pink Google Pixel 3. Right, this is new. Wow, it's really light compared to my Asus Zenfone 8 Flip. I already told you guys why I returned that. Again, I had problems with Thunder Match, and I had to tell them, look, you know what, your admin told me that I can return it, so why is your logistics department telling me I can't return it? Basically, they decided to return it, like they decided to refund me the money after, you know, I got to know this guy from my friend Jason. Shout out to Jason and thank you for that. So this guy who works at Thunder Match, his name is Tony. Shout out to Tony. Thank you for helping me as well. And okay, see here. So he helped me to get the refund, and now I got this really cheap phone, which is the Google Pixel 3. Now you guys can have a look at this awesome phone, the Google Pixel 3, and it has the 845 Snapdragon, which is really cool. Oh, so basically it comes wrapping the front facing glass, like it has this nice wrapping thing on the front. So I'm not gonna pull it out because I actually have the what you call that, the screen protector. So I will pull it out when I'm gonna apply the screen protector. So I'm just gonna show you guys here. Look at this. Really nice color. It's called not pink. Well, it's not exactly pink, right? You look at it, it's not exactly pink. So I really like the color and this little orange accent. Like I said, this is a notchless display. This is super awesome. I'm gonna switch it on and see if it turns on. Alright, guys, press the orange button, I guess. Right, I'm gonna press the orange button, see if it turns on. Maybe there's no battery because this is an old phone, I think. So it's not turning on. So let's see. Okay, try again. Maybe I have to charge it. I will charge it later on. But if it does not turn on, this is proof, guys. I'm doing this for the first time, opening it for the first time. If it doesn't work, then you know the phone doesn't work. But yeah, it doesn't seem to be turning on, so I'm guessing that I need to charge the phone. But yeah, there we go. I'm just gonna show you guys again, right? Press all the buttons just in case. One more time. Yeah, nope, not turning on. So I'm gonna charge it later. If there's any problems, you can be sure that I'm gonna complain about it. I've been complaining about so many things this week. Last week, the Asus Zenfone 8 Flip, managed to solve that. About this FedEx problem, managed to solve that. So guys, if you guys are listening to this, sometimes you can't be a pushover. You have to fight for what you believe in. So I'm just gonna finish showing you guys what's in the box, right? For this video, some instruction with the what do you call that? The SIM remover tool, right? It's really nice box actually. Look at this. Look at that. It has earphones, right? You can see that here. Earphones. You don't get that anymore these days. You know, phone manufacturers. Oh my god. Look at this. USB-C cable, right? It's fairly new. USB-C to USB-C cable, just like my Asus Zenfone 8 Flip. It has this, which my Asus Zenfone 8 Flip doesn't have, which is a converter for the earphones, right? Because it does not have a earphone plug, so you have to use this USB-C converter if you want to use earphones. And of course, it comes with the charger brick as well. Not sure how strong this is, but it all looks very nice, very white, right? Just like Apple. And yeah, guys, I guess that's it for my video, unboxing video of the Google Pixel 3. It's about 10 minutes long in this video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. I hope you guys like this. I'll see you guys. Take care now. Thank you. Bye.